It is time for a meditation practice. Again?
Again.
But first of all, why should you even want to meditate?
Maybe to be free from your mind controlling you.
My mind is not controlling me.
Are you sure about that?
If that were the case, then you could decide not to think about anything, right? So let's have a quick check. I'll give you 30 seconds. Don't think about anything. Start now. That wasn't so easy, right?
Push it to the limit.
So if I decide not to think, and despite it, thoughts appear, then who is thinking of them? And why do they appear? Meditation is not really about sitting and not thinking. It's more about being present in the moment and acknowledging everything that arises, even thoughts. That's why it can be done in every situation. It's much harder to be present and aware while engaging with other people, but you can practice when you're alone. Walking, doing dishes, making dinner, or eating,
Which makes us more aware of every flavor.
There are many different benefits of meditation, but for me, the most important thing is that you can finally connect with your true self, bypassing all the programs and thought patterns built throughout your life. It is like training your muscles. To see bigger results, you have to do it at least few times a week. However, the paradox is that the more you try, the more difficult it gets. It's better to have a curious approach. Like you were trying a new look. Be amused of it. So let's begin. Best is to practice sitting in a meditative position. There are many different types of sittings, but we'll go with the flat school style. It's the easiest and the most efficient one. Here are 5 quick tips for the right posture before we jump in. Cross your legs in a way that you won't sit directly on them. It would block the circulation of your blood. If you don't have a meditative pillow, use 2 regular ones or fold the one you have. The second part goes at the end of your back. This is a great way for balancing your body. Your hands should lay here, right over left for men, left over right for women, or whatever you feel. But they can also be placed on your knees, facing up. It's a great support for the spine. Fingers connected so that you can feel the energy gathering there. Take a while focusing on your back. It's the core of your body. Adjust its position slightly front and back to find the right spot when you're not slumping and not leaning forward. Direct your eyes on the brow point, between your brows. Then move your focus of attention to the center of your head, somewhere between your ears. With practice, you should find the sweet spot more easily. First of all, generate a gratitude feeling. This is the biggest shortcut you can get to have a fast result. Think of things you are grateful for. Even when you're down and you think your life sucks, there's always something to be grateful for. Maybe for a nice weather outside, maybe for a tasty breakfast, or maybe for a great turd you did this morning. If you really can't think of any reason, here are also some ideas.
Ain't got no home, ain't got no shoes, ain't got no money, ain't got no class, ain't got no skirts, ain't got no sweaters, ain't got no perfume, ain't got no love. I got my hair, got my head, got my brains, got my head, got my eyes, got my nose, got my mouth. I got my sense. I got my arms, got my hands, got my fingers, got my legs, got my feet, got my toes, got my liver, got my blood, I've got life.
And now it's all about where you focus your attention. This is what we're practicing here. Feel the gratitude. Watch where it's in your body. Do you feel some shivers? Do you feel the energy moving? Now calm your mind and focus on what's happening inside your body. If any sudden pain appears, don't be scared. Instead, embrace it. It is a great communication of your body with your consciousness that is ready to be healed, showing you where the blockage is located. While practicing with eyes closed, imagine a flowing river. See that everything is passing by, everything flows. When thought arises, and it surely will, acknowledge it and see that it also flows with the river, leaving only a clean stream of timeless present. If you get caught in tricky webs of thinking, as soon as you're aware of it, go back to the river and don't waste your energy on feeling bad for getting caught. Just calmly return to the source. It's just practice, nothing to be stressed about. We're just chilling with ourselves. If you liked the video, please click the like button and subscribe to see more of my content. In future videos, I'll share some ideas of what you can visualize and focus on while sitting with your eyes closed. But for now, if you don't want to sit, there are different ways of meditating, like using movement, sound, or breath, which are covered here. It's also a great way to start your spiritual journey. Enjoy your life.